This segment is sponsored by Austin Telco Federal Credit Union. Hey, are you in a home that you own but money is tight? Pamela Cotton, VP of Member Services at Austin Telco Federal Credit Union, is here to talk about home equity loans and how they can work for you. Pam, what is a home equity loan and how does it work?
Yeah, Rosie, a home equity loan is a loan that you take out using your home as the collateral for the loan. So you're borrowing against your home. The formula for that is the home value minus the mortgage balance, and that's going to equal the equity in your home. And to determine how much you can get, Texas allows you to borrow up to 80% of the equity. So we'll take your mortgage balance plus your home equity loan, and it cannot be more than 80%, okay? And then this can be like a first mortgage or a second mortgage as a home equity loan, but you can also take it in a lump sum or take it in payments.
Gotcha. So you can have money where you draw over a period of time or just get it all at once.
That's correct.
Okay. All right. What are some advantages of using a home equity loan?
Yeah, great question. A home equity loan is definitely going to have a lower interest rate, which is obviously a good thing to do because you're going to pay less over the time. And then you can use it to make improvements around your house. Things are breaking down. It's been a while. You have that equity. Use it to take care of those home improvements. You can also pay off a lot of those high interest debts that you have, the credit cards and things like that are a much higher interest rate. This is going to be to your advantage to utilize that equity to pay those off. Kids are going to college. We know that's a very high expense. So use it to pay for your college expenses as well. And another good thing about it is that depending on your tax situation, the interest that you pay on that loan could be tax deductible as well.
Oh, that would be nice. All right.
Yes.
Is the application process similar to applying for a mortgage? Is it kind of the same idea?
So there are no closing costs on a loan with Austin Telco. If you're going to get a home equity, if it's less than $250,000, you won't pay any closing costs, which is great because mortgages typically have at least 1% plus all the additional fees that come along with that. And then it has to be your primary residence. So you have to have a homestead on that primary residence, and then you can get that home equity loan. And if you do one, you have to wait 12 months before you can get another one. So sometimes you may borrow $50,000, you're paying it down, and then a year later you find that you may need a little bit more. You can come back, refinance that home equity loan, but you just have to wait 12 months to do that. And then at Austin Telco, no prepayment penalty. So if you have it and you come along some money that you were expecting, tax refunds, anything like that, then you can pay it off and not pay a penalty.
Interesting information today, Pam. Thank you.
Thank you.
To learn more about all of the services Austin Telco Federal Credit Union has to offer, visit atfcu.org. The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by Austin Telco Federal Credit Union.